Sure.
Well guys, talking about how I perceive myself, Girls on Fires is the perfect name to figure out myself. Well, Girls on Fires means that I have a persistent personality toward myself. I have, full of spirit when I would like to achieve something. For instance, as a debater, and I have joined many competitions. I feel a lot of obstacles when I would like to achieve the champions. But however, I never give up and always exercise myself and my brain in order to improve my personality in debating and become the champion. So, going ups and downs is not the problem because it's normal for human beings. But the problems you have to survive and achieve your goal. So let's show your fires and achieve your dream.